Hey guys, and good morning, and welcome to United RV. Today I have the pleasure of showing you a 2022 Keystone Hideout. It's a 177RD, which stands for rear dining. It's a great little aluminum side trailer, weighs 3,600 pounds, so this can be pulled by some Jeeps, small trucks, small SUVs, but it's a great getaway for the weekend. Hey guys, let's walk around the outside first and show you some of the features we have out here. Okay, of course it has the MORride step system, which is the greatest thing I think since sliced bread for RV trailers. It makes it so much easier to get in and out. It's super easy to pick up and put back in. Anybody can do it. Over here we've got a storage bin that goes all the way through, so that way you can put your containers in there for all your camping supplies. We do have stabilizer jacks, all four of them on each side. These, you can either crank these down with a handle, or you can get you a power drill with a 3/4 inch bit and zip them down real quick. Okay, move around to the front up here. It does have a solar hit connect up here for the battery if you want to use that. It has a 3-year structural warranty on it, which is really good. 1-year factory warranty, like most travel trailers have on them. You've got your propane bottle up here. Now you can add the bigger bottles, but this one's really nice because this is the one you can run down and swap out at 7-Eleven or in your backyard. You've got your battery case right up here. It is a 2 5/16 ball. This side over here is the other side of the pass-through storage, and that is a lot of room in there. You can put a lot of toys and fun stuff in there. You've got your hot water heater here. You've got your fresh connection water and your city water connection when you're camping. So you can fill the tanks up if you want to go boondocking and take water with you, or of course hook up to the city over here. The tank system over here is real simple and easy. You've got your black and your gray. Now, one thing at United, when you purchase a trailer from us, we're going to give you a 2-hour walkthrough kind of class on how to use a trailer. We'll show you everything there is to use. It's not rocket scientists. It's all about enjoyment and spending some time in the outdoors. Back here, you've got another storage, and you've also got a full-size spare. There's your other stabilizer jack. These trailers are wired for a backup camera if you need one. But look at the big picture window you got back here. It's going to be really nice once I get inside and show you that. Coming around on this side, we've got more storage. The pop-up latch right there. That's great to keep all your toys and camping gear. You've got a full electric awning on the top of this up here, which is really cool. And again, it's all push button now. The technology has gotten so much better on these trailers. Let's go inside and I'll show you around. Welcome inside. When you first walk in to your right, you'll have a full-size queen bed right over here. You've got storage up above over here, and you've got a window back there with an escape window that you can open up and let a breeze through here. Really look comfortable setting. Over here, you've got your closets for your hanging clothes. And you'll notice this is all wood construction and screwed, okay, no staples. Also, this trailer is equipped for a Wi-Fi hotspot if you so desire to add one. Right up through here. All your lighting is LED, okay? As we move forward, you'll notice that it has a lot of counter space and prep room over here. You've got lots of room over here. You've got a deep sink over here and a 2-burner stove. Cabinets up here, again, you'll notice are all screwed in. Wood cabinetry, okay? You've got a 3-year structural warranty in here. And there's lots of adds you can put in here. You know, in our trailers, I've always had to add a shelf for Donna that you can get over at the Home Depot, so that way you can stack more groceries in there if you want to. Now, over here that we kind of bypassed is your control panel. This controls all your lights in here for the inside and outside, and of course your awning. And Keystone puts in here a Bluetooth speaker, okay? With the Bluetooth that has the radio in there that you can Bluetooth your own sound out here, and you can take it off and take it outside with you too. Okay, over here underneath your counter, you've got a Dometic refrigerator over here. It's a pretty good size. You can put drinks, sandwich, meat in there. Keep everything nice and cool for your trip over there. We've got a fan over here, of course, so that's the way if you're cooking beans. Now, you always cook bacon outside. You don't cook bacon inside. It just tastes better outside, you know what I mean? You've got a microwave up here that you can do popcorn, warm up, dishes, whatever you want to do. Okay. Now the dinette over here will fit 4 people pretty comfortably. I'm a pretty big old boy, but I've got plenty of room to sit right over here and enjoy a meal. You've got your windows over here. Like I was telling you outside, this back window gives you a great view of the lake or whatever park you're at. On my immediate right over here, you've got your air conditioning, side-mounted air conditioning. They do the side mount on these because they cool a little bit more efficiently, and if you want to put it in a garage or you've got a small area, carport, it makes it easier to park in there. You've also got an LCD TV mounting bracket right up there, along with your cable and your power and hookups. And of course, on the counter over there, you could either put your coffee pot over there or your Tito bar, whatever you decide you want to put in there. And we've got more storage right over here. Lots of room in here. Now underneath the dinettes also, you've got storage underneath here. And this will also make to a bed, so that way you could sleep a fairly good sized adult or a couple kids right there. And you've got storage and countertops as well over here. Now as we back up, here's your controls for your heater and your furnace. Okay, real simple. Now a lot of people always say, well, I can't get it to work over here. They make this knob really hard to push, so that way it just doesn't bump on its own. So once you get used to that, it's okay. Right over here we've got our water pump for electric or gas, whichever one you want to use, and your tanks. All you do is just hold the button down and it tells you your battery, your black tank, your gray, and your freshwater tank. Now the bathroom over here, or restroom I should say, has a door that opens up all the way. It's got a pretty good sized shower in here. Now, again, I'm a pretty big old boy, so I can stand in here and do the shower. It has a 6-gallon hot water tank. Okay, so what the guys do and what we do when we go camping is I'll do the military shower, then I'll let my wife come in here and she can have a full shower. You've got plenty of countertop up here. You've got a medicine cabinet that opens up right here. And for some of us guys, you've got a lot of room in here. I know, it's called the SWAT room, but you can still sit in here and you're able to shut the door. So there you have it, the Keystone 177RD rear dining unit. Again, it's 3,600 pounds, easy to pull. We teach you how to do everything on it. We just don't toss the keys to you. And during the recent hailstorm we had here in Fort Worth, we have a few 22s that have a few dents on them, okay? Not a lot, just a few. But they're heavily discounted. So if you look on our website, unitedrv.com, you'll be able to see the pricing. Now we have no hidden fees here at United. We are family owned and family operated. The owners are here every day. They're happy to meet with you. We've been in business over 40 years. A great dealership to work for. I'm very proud to be here with them. Again, thank y'all for watching this. Please hit the like and subscribe button down there and leave me comments. Any questions, I'd be more than happy to ask, or call in and one of our staff will be able to help you out with that. I hope y'all have a great day and may God bless you and your family.